Change language to itel A05s. If your itel A05s is set to a language other than the one you typically use, whether it be due to purchasing it imported, secondhand, or accidentally changing the language settings, you can easily change it back by following these steps. Changing the language of your A05s back to English from any other language is very simple. If you do not understand the text that appears on the screen, you can follow these instructions through the images since the menus are in the same position regardless of the language installed on the itel A05s. Please note that changing the language on your itel may also change the language of certain apps and system features. Additionally, changing the language may also change the keyboard layout and formatting of dates and numbers. First step. First we go to the settings of the itel A05s. It is the icon of the cogwheel. It must be on the home screen or in the menu of the phone. You can access the main menu usually by dragging your finger from the bottom to the top of the screen. Second step. We look for the system section, usually the icon of the exclamation mark symbol that is in the lower part of the screen. Third step. Click on Languages and Input. It is the world globe icon. From this section you can change the language of the texts displayed on the itel A05s and also the keyboard language. Fourth step. Click again on Languages. This is the first option at the top of the itel A05s screen, usually with Chinese characters. Fifth step. Press the plus, Add a Language button to add a new language to the itel. A list of suggested languages will appear and below the rest of the languages. Sixth step. Search for the language in the list or use the magnifying glass icon in the upper right to use the language search to find the language to which you want to change your itel A05s and select it. Seventh step. Once you have selected the language you want to install on your itel A05s, a list of options will appear to choose the region for that language. Select the appropriate region. You must select the appropriate region to install the dictionary that corresponds to your country or geographical area. Eighth step. Using the vertical lines on the right, click and drag the language to the first position. This will be the main language of the itel A05s. Once the new language has been added to your itel A05s, you can delete the previous language that you will not use by following instructions in the link below. Delete language itel A05s. I cannot find the language I need on my itel A05s. If you cannot find the language you need in the list of available languages on the itel A05s, there are some options you might consider. 1. Search for system updates. Sometimes, manufacturers add support for more languages with software updates. Check if there is an update available for your A05s. 2. Install a keyboard in the desired language. If what you need is to write in a specific language, you can install a keyboard in that language. On Android, there are many options available to download from Google Play or other app stores like Mole Locale 2. 3. Change the ROM. On some Android devices, it is possible to change the ROM, the system software, for a version that includes more languages. This is more advanced and may void the device's warranty, so do it with caution and only if you are sure of what you are doing. 4. Contact the manufacturer or itel technical support. Sometimes, the manufacturer's technical support can offer specific solutions for your phone model. More device guides is available in the new features.